Yeah, well, like you said, I tell people like it is my life's mission to contribute as much as I can to the Irish language, to its revival, to its development and growth. And I do that in the ways I enjoy, because that's the best. If you enjoy doing it, it's going to be better than something you don't enjoy doing. So yeah, I think that there are just so many ways to promote a language, and I like to kind of utilize the different ways. Social media, one of the oldest forms of media, writing, and teaching. People want in-person, one-on-one teaching, and you need those classes, you need that education. But then I enjoy doing the fun stuff, the podcast, the videos, the vlogs, just showing that it's a living language. I think that is my main mission.